Hey Rax.
Hey Rex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Make sure you like, comment, share. Listen guys, whatever you see, it's okay for you to share it. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. So guys, give this video a thumbs up for this hot pepper crayfish we're about to devour.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
I hope you guys have been having a wonderful, wonderful week. And before Babe even attacks me, we have said grace.
I already gave it up and said, listen, I was supposed, guys, I was supposed to say, what's in the pot? But I didn't say that. I said, give it up for this crayfish. You know, it is what it is.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
So we're having a pepper pot crayfish, I guess.
Yes.
Our hot pepper pot crayfish.
The Jamaican way.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, I'm pretty sure you guys could see the steam coming out of it, which is awesome. And we...
Let me help you, baby.
Ready?
Yeah. I can't see.
Please see it.
Dip it down, dip it up slow. Some lemon. We're gonna go there, there, and there. We got some Jamaican hot pepper. We already put some in this boil, but we're just gonna put this on the top. Look at that. That's pepper. And put that right there. We also have some jalapeno. And put that on top because, you know, Jamaican pepper pot usually have to be extremely pepper. So we put a lot of pepper.
Okay, this ought to be really good.
This is what we have. So let's begin. Let's get in here first, guys.
First things first. Whoa.
We're gonna just eat a few. Now we're gonna talk.
Are we?
You know,
Let's not make any promises.
you've been eating crayfish completely wrong. So have I.
How is it supposed
I got the
to...
juice.
Oh.
I've been watching Cousin A.B.
Oh, really?
And this is how she eat it. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. I think she go. No, didn't work. I'll rewatch it.
Alright,
doesn't
cool.
matter.
That makes better sense. I don't know how it goes. I just figure you just break the thing off and whatever.
And suck it out like that, right?
I think, you know what? Crayfish is good if you like sucking things. I must say that.
Just a new year.
And I'm trying to be a new me.
Me and Babe have been discussing balance. We've been working on finding the balance of us lately a lot.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. How's that been going for you?
At first, scary. Because you know when you're used to being by yourself and stuff, you don't want nobody to balance you.
That's true. I mean, first of all, you don't even think that you need to be balanced to begin with.
Right.
Let's just be honest.
Right. Right, Jay. So when I open myself to learn your aspect of stuff and put it with mine, that's where I find balance. Just from being with you.
I agree. I mean, comment down below and tell us how you and your spouse
Balance the thing.
say no more. That's how it goes.
And funny enough, guys, I didn't even know that a next person could actually balance you, you know. I think you would actually do that by yourself.
I mean, I would like to think in some senses with... Ooh, spicy. I would like to think in some senses you could, in some aspect of yourself, you're the only one that could balance yourself.
True.
But when it comes to like your relationship and dealing with other people and stuff like that, It's like a 50-50 thing. So you need that other person now to come in and give you that extra 50, you know.
Because, guys, in the beginning, I wanted to give Jay 20.
That was a lot.
And I take 80. You know, so.
You just said it like it was just the norm, like, you know, it's a regular thing. You normally just give a person 20 and take 80 for yourself.
Of course! Who don't do that? Smart people do that.
Aye. Selfish people do that too. Which one are you?
But look, guys. But then, no, seriously, I wanted to take 80. But then Jay taught me a different way, whereas, you know, you don't have to be selfish and you don't always have to have things your way. And when you're in a relationship, you want to be fair.
You want to at least try your best to be. Whoa!
I did that. Me.
How spicy is it?
Just me.
This is what happens.
Show off, bring disgrace.
When in Jamaica they say show off, bring disgrace. This is it, right here. That's it.
Right, guys. I did not know that.
I have been trying to tell her that pepper is a hot one, but no. Why listen to me?
I didn't know that jalapeno was so hot. Oh my God. Hey, give me some sugar, salt. What they use? Peppermint. I don't know.
Do you want some milk? Use the lemon. Try the lemon.
Fuck me.
Try the lemon. Because the pepper that was already on wasn't good enough for you.
Drink the juice. Jay, it's not funny. It's not funny, Jay.
It is.
It's not funny, babe. Guys, my whole shirt is wet. Because I'm over here drooling and drinking. I cannot feel my lip. Ooh, jalapeno is hot. Oh my God. I thought it would have been one bite. And I would have been okay to show off after that.
I've been told you not to do it.
I am never, ever, ever in my life biting another pepper unless it's sweet pepper. That is ridiculous. Who invented these shits?
I know. It's good, isn't it? I don't know what possessed you to do it.
Even my teeth hurt.
I told you not to do it. So, comment down below, don't forget, and tell us how you balance your relationship. Balance is always a hard thing, but it's important. Drink some juice.
How do you balance yours, baby?
I don't know. You know, I try to bring less of the crazy that I have. But I do also learn a lot from you. Because you've had certain experiences that I haven't had.
Baby,
Huh?
the conversation is over.
Oh.
My mouth is on fire, Jay. I can't eat no more.
I didn't tell you to buy that pepper. Did I tell you to buy that pepper?
Everything I eat moving forward now is hot, Jay.
Yeah, but did I tell you to buy the pepper? I did not tell you to buy the pepper. She asked me off camera if she should bite the pepper, and I specifically said, no, it's hot.
That's what the pepper did to me.
Nobody told you to eat it. I told you to leave it alone.
Yo, that pepper is so pepper. Listen, guys, I was gonna buy this pepper, right? In the supermarket, they said this is Scotch bonnet pepper. Could you imagine?
Do you want me to buy that one?
Mm-mm. Could you imagine if I had bought this pepper?
Alright. So, you okay?
I can't eat no more. That's it. My palate has shut down.
Alright.
The pepper, the jalapeno spoiled my whole appetite.
And then there was pepper already in here. I don't know.
Look, guys, there's a whole pepper that I boil in here. So, guys, now balance in relationship is very important. Me and Jay work on that is. Listening to each other, accommodating each other, being reasonable, understandable.
And
holding
also
each other accountable.
And also trying to learn from each other.
No, it's hard to do because it's with another human being, you know. So there's been time when it's been chaotic, yeah. But after the chaos,
it calms down.
Comes great communication.
I know. And then it all boils down to communication, doesn't it?
Yes.
So balance equals communication. Equals good communication.
Yeah.
So don't forget to comment down below and tell us how you balance your relationship, and also
if you have time, subscribe. If you don't have time, subscribe.
Yeah, all of that too. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always commenting, and not forget to comment down below and tell we own a balance on a thing. Alright, cool.
Have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye, rats.